What's up guys, Vincent is here. On today's video I'm going to show you how you can control your master effects with wheels S1 and S2 on RolandFantom. Actually previously I made a video and I showed you how you can do filter automations on recorded patterns. But in this video, the story is a quite bit different because I'm going to show you how you can use effects and control master effects for live performances. So if you like the video and you learned something, you can support me with thanks and join button. And don't forget, you can subscribe my channel to support me to continue this path. Okay, let's have a look to my RolandFantom. You can start with any initial scene. Let's, for example, go for C7T, which is an empty one. So I am on the first zone. I go to zone view and let's bring out a sound. So I go to my, for example, let's go to guitar sounds and take this, this one, for example. Okay, nylon sound. Okay, this is JD800. So my device upgraded to EX. That's why I have JD800 on my board. Okay, when you press the parameters, so you can go for different types of parameters or filters for your sound. Step filter. So you can try different types of filter for your sound. Let's stay on auto wow, okay? So I need to control my filter through the wheels in S1 and S2. Right now, if I move the wheel, it doesn't make any changes on my sound, okay? So in order to customize the filter, I go to menu, and I go to the system, effect edit, on tune edit, and on master effects. As you can see, again, I have the same list of filters on this page. So we decide to stay on auto wow. Now I have different types of parameters like manual, sense, peak, rate, depth. Let's try some of them and see how they affect my sound. So let's increase the manual. So you see the differences. Now I want to control these parameters through the wheel. So let's bring it down and move to MFX control, master effects control. So I go for control 1 and I select the source. You see it's turned off. So I press enter. And you can go for any empty CCs. Let's, for example, go for CC25, okay? It's up to you. And now I'm assigning the auto wow filter to CC25. And I set the destination, I press enter, and I select the manual because we want to control the manual, remember that. So let me bring back there. MFX, we want to control manual. So MFX control, the destination is manual. And for sense, I go for the maximum. So I select it to 63. So when I bring the wheel to top, it will go to the maximum effects on that filter. Okay, so I press OK. And now I press zoom view. And don't forget to save your scene. So I press right, I go to tune, and you can go for any destination if you want. So I save my tune first. And then I press right again, and this time I save my scene. So press OK. You can rename it if you want. So I'm trying to do it fast, okay? Okay. Right now it's time to assign CC25 to that wheel. So I hold shift and I move the wheel. And then boom, we will be on this page. So you see the wheel 2, which is this one, assigned to CC1. So I press enter and I go down until I reach to CC25. Press OK, and we're done. This is the maximum. Wow, it's working well, huh? Okay, let's try and add another effects. Let's move back to menu, effect edit again. Oh, sorry, tune edit. And let's this time go to control 2. Let's say, for example, this time I want to control rate. So let's see how rate affect my sound. So you see the differences. So let's bring down the rate again. Now you see the differences now. So, okay. So don't forget to bring it down, okay? And then go to FX control. Now we are on control 2. And source, I will turn it on. And this time I go for CC26. Press enter. For destination, I press enter. And this time I select rate on Hertz and press OK. And for sensitivities, I press enter. And this time again, I go for the maximum. Just I'm exaggerating to have the better demonstrations, okay? Okay, now we have CC26, which is assigned to rates. Again, go to zoom view, press right button, tune, save your tone, and right button again, save your scene. And now I want to assign it to S2. So I hold shift, I press S2, and you see S2 assign. So I press enter and I move to reach out CC26. CC26. And for mode, instead of a momentary, I go for lash. Okay? It's up to you. Now, we are assigning that effect to S2. The wheel. S2. You see the rate turn on and turn off. This is how it works, guys. I hope you learned something, and if you learned something, don't forget to support me with thanks and join button. Thank you, and see you soon. Take care and have a good one. Bye-bye.